I'm so glad, Pam Bondi, that you took over Ghislaine Maxwell's position as, I guess, what are you? I don't even know, a benefactress for child trafficking, something like that. Yeah. Well, you could go tell pedophile Parrot News and tell him, because Trump said that he was considering or some kind of whatever of pardoning Ghislaine, I guess, so you could take over fully. And I'm glad for both of you because I am fine with that. I'm really grateful because I am totally considering pardoning you, and you guys can get raped. Yeah, thank you, you asshole.